What it do, guys? What it do, gang? What it do, money gang? I am back with another video, and today we just gonna go ahead and vlog it up, man. I got my baby Kai over here. She definitely in the game with daddy today. We doing some big moves today, man. We might be signing some big paperwork documents, man. Other than that, man, we about to head to the bank, run a few errands, wait for Mom Deuce to get off, and get back to the vlog, man. Other than that, I might just bring y'all with me, you know what I'm saying? Thank y'all for being tuned as well. Thank y'all for waiting. Thank y'all for dedicating your time to this grind, you know what I'm saying? Other than that, man, without further ado, we about to get in these streets and see what's popping, you know what I'm saying? I need all my money gang lovers to go ahead and hit that like button. Make sure you, your family, your cousin, your friends, everybody subscribe. If you're not subscribed, then what are you doing? We trying to take this channel to another journey. We trying to make it pop in, you dig? Without further ado, man, y'all already know what's up, man. That's my baby over there. She got her little puppy dog. You ready? Yes, sir. She acting a little shy. It's been a minute since I brought out the camera, but we gonna get it popping, right? We gonna get it popping. Give me thumbs up. Alright. Y'all go ahead and give this video a like. Y'all go ahead and make sure y'all subscribe, turn on that notification. I'm about to try to bring more daily views, you know what I'm saying? Or weekly. Come on, let's go. Alright, man, we're gonna let y'all know we're back in traffic. You did. Wanna go shopping? Yes, sir. Just pulled up to the Wells Fargo. About to drop that Hank in the bank, you dig? That's funny? Yeah. Most people go to the bank to pull out money. We go to the bank to put in money. You dig? Bank. Bank, bank, bank. Gotta go to the bank. Alright. Alright, guys. We're gonna be in. And we're gonna be out in a second. It's very easy. As long as you got your ID. Never lose that. You ready? Yeah. Alright. Let's do this. We'll be back. Alright? Stay tuned. Yeah, my baby. Go follow me on Instagram. And one in the chickens. Big deposits at the bank, man. My daughter's signing checks, you dig? We doing it. You dig? Stay tuned, man. That's just one of my meetings. Just left the bank. That's a meeting. We got one more to go, man. What you think? Store. She wanna go to the store. We'll be right back, gang. Y'all know what time it is. Good morning. What? Good morning. Say what it do. What it do, guys? What it do, gang? Back today. Same video, another day. Yeah, she's been a good week. Big blessings. Other than that, man, I'm about to get fresh. I'm about to get dressed. I'm about to get to this money. You gonna say something now? You gonna say what's up? Huh? You wanna go get to the money? You need to go get to them books. What you mean, man? You have to go get some education. Good morning. What's your baby? Your baby? What? You ready to go back to school? Not really? I'm gonna go get my money. You wanna go get some money? Yeah, I bet you do. What you gonna buy? The money. You gonna buy some more money? That's crazy. You're so smart. Why you want to go get some money? You need to go to first grade first. Then second grade, third grade, fourth grade, fifth grade. Too early to be talking about some money. Daddy got to get money to pay bills so we can stay in this nice house. Kai just want the money? Yeah, I bet. Well, you got to get to work. You got to get the acting, get the modeling. What you going to be when you grow up? Gonna be Superwoman? I see you looking. You thinking about it? Huh? Think about it. Should we tell the vlog what's up? She don't want to tell y'all. I was gonna tell y'all the secret, but she don't want me to tell y'all, obviously. But what it do, man? We is back. We about to get it popping. I'm about to get fresh, man. Y'all already know what time it is. I gotta brush my teeth. She gotta wash her face. Yes, sir. And she gotta put some socks on them toes. Definitely back right now. I'm about to get in the grindhouse right now. As you can see, I got a fresh cut. You dig? I'm fresh as hell, by the way. You know what I'm saying? Got the J's on. You know what I'm saying? The 8s. Very popular, very clean, very fresh. You probably can't see it, but I'm fresh as fuck from head to toe. But my car is dirty as shit. Excuse the language, but I just gotta say that, man. My car is dirty. I gotta take it to get clean. There we go. Alright, man. I'm about to go ahead and get up into this joint. Go get this money, man. I'm in the garage, of course. I was gonna park in the sun, but I wasn't sure if I should, do that to give y'all more, footage of how the car would look. But y'all already know. I got a couple modifications done to it, nothing too serious, but yes, I will bring y'all back, man. I brought y'all to the mall with me today, so y'all can see a lot of stuff. What I be grinding, what I be doing. Oh yeah, shirts coming soon, a whole lot of everything coming, so stay tuned, man. I'll bring y'all back when I'm ready in the mall. You dig? So check it out. I'm gonna show you this product, man. If you like it, buy it, alright? I'm gonna show it to you, check it out. A lot of shoes get dirty. This right here cleans them. Put your shoe up, man. Alright. So as everybody can see, the shoe gets a lot dirty, man. A lot of people been asking me what I do. On the side, besides YouTube, this is the cleaner, man. It's the world greatest shoe cleaner. It cleans literally anything. You ready to try it? Alright, check it out. We back, and I'm back home with my baby. Did you show them your outfit you wore today?
Yeah.
No, you didn't, because you left daddy. He went to school. Calm down. Oh. Oh.
What, guys? On your beach.
What? What did she say? This girl right here is wild after school, man. Oh my god. Did you say what it do?
Yeah.
Welcome back to the vlog.
I do beach.
Say welcome back to the vlog.
The beach.
What?
The beach.
It's welcome back to the vlog.
The beach.
What the beach? I don't know about no beach.
It's right the beach.
Say welcome back to the vlog.
The bar.
What it do? Say. So, yes, I'm back home, chilling with the fam. I'm about to go get some grub. I think about to take her to the movies soon. But probably not, because she acting bad. Ain't no gang gang. You ain't gang. You ain't gang. Your nose dirty. Your nose dirty. She talking about some gang gang. Right. Gang gang. Let me get money gangs all up in the comment section, man. About to go in here. Come on. What do you do? What you cooking? Hey. What the? How does this go together? There gotta be some meat in here.
Nope. Got to be on a vegetarian diet.
Stay away. Stay away. I'm vlogging. I'm not carrying you. Where's my meat, woman?
We're on a vegetarian diet.
You on a vegetarian diet. You speak for yourself.
No,
You don't feed me no meat.
You're right. I don't feed you meat. We're on a vegetarian diet.
This
you
girl.
guys eat too much junk.
Stop. Stop.
So I decided to put you on a diet.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Ooh. Yeah. Chops. Dang, girl. Good job. As you can see, she's full of energy at this time of the day. Yes, sir. So we about to get ready and get some grub and maybe go to the movies or something. Calm down. Alright? So, yeah. Alright, stay tuned.
So now when you're talking about the Overland is going to be the most, one of the highest trim packages available on the vehicle. You have everything, leather interiors, heated cool seats, navigation available on the vehicle.
Yeah.
It has a different terrain, so now we got a real rate for you.
Yeah, this is definitely family oriented.
Hell yeah. Now look at the top.
Yeah, I see
now,
that.
You got a panoramic sunroof.
Yeah, that's what she like. Oh, shit.
Nah, right here, big boy. Oh no. Actually, this is going to take the joint all the way back.
Okay.
One more time.
I like the colors on the seat.
How many miles on this thing?
130.
Oh, man, yeah. That's a lot of miles. It looks very nice, though. 130. Take care of it. Shit. Lasts a long time. Yeah, you can. Yeah, it's definitely a V8.
Oh, yeah.
V8 for sure.
Oh, nah, actually,
Man.
Playboy, this is a V6, my boo.
Really?
Yes, sir.
That's
Double
crazy.
check that.
With the sport mode and everything, I hope this whole V8, man. We looking for V8s, really.
There's
Yeah,
a V6.
3.6.
This one actually got your 8-speed automatic torque flight transmission in it. So you're actually pulling almost damn near 300 horsepower even with a V6.
Yeah, this is one of the best V6 they got. Y'all ain't got no V8s on the lot?
I have to double check.
Gotta match the Beamer, man. We gotta. I mean, it'll probably keep up for sure. This one crazy, huh? Look at that. Got the doors off. You like that one? Let's see how you look in there. Ooh-wee. That look crazy, huh? Put the speakers up in there. This right here is that new Wrangler. The big boy tires. Shocks. Hey, stop all that one. You faking. They smoked the game with this one. Alright, no worries. Come on, since you miss Crybaby. Yeah, they killed it with this one. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Then this glass come off too. I think it comes with the doors. They jump pretty dope.
This is purple.
Something like this, man, they need to start putting big V8s in these engines, bro. I don't know why they playing. It's their Jeep Gladiator Overland. Clean. It's real clean. Good job, hold. Big boy tires.
This is this one.
Yeah? Somebody's happy. Look at that.
So happy.
Shout out to the
Look
nigga
at that.
I get to
one
get
time.
with them,
Yep.
Paula.
So today, it's been a good day. Actually, a great day. I wasn't planning on this. I was looking for me a car, but God had a better plan, you know what I'm saying? Instead of thinking about myself, I went and got Babymomma a new whip, you know what I'm saying? Everybody probably think it's this. Everybody think it's the Wrangler. No, we're gonna show y'all in 5 minutes. It's getting washed. It's getting clean. Look, they so happy. Look.
I'ma do my thing. I ain't worried about shit. I'ma go so hard, I'ma dunk in a bit like I was Griffin. I'ma do my thing. Ain't serving it all. Bustin' and bragging, get your ass straight out.
I'll leave my baby in there.
Up from the M.
You know she's sensitive.
Memphis the border, moving them keys like it was the Whitney. I'm selling the icky.
If y'all need a whip, make sure y'all come holler at my boy, man. My boy Benny, he holding it down. I need a Chrysler Dodge. That boy working, boy. This place closed. He's still in here. Fuck with us, man. Not the same place where I drove the Charger, but he's lit. We wait on the car to get washed up. We'll be right back. Stay tuned. You dig? 2015, man. Fresh off the lot. Limited. Yes, sir. She about to shine bright like a diamond, guys. Yes, sir. Look at that. Fresh off the lot, man. Paperwork. Y'all know what time it is, man. Credit getting better. Vlogs getting better. I need y'all to subscribe to the channel, man. I need everybody to hit that like button because, man, my pockets are getting thin around here, guys. I need my shit to look A1, man. So, yes, sir. We got Babymomma the new whip. This is my baby right here. What it do, man? She eat her donuts. You happy mama got a new car? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got her in that new push to start. So, what do you think?
I'm super happy. No more Impala?
No more Impala? What? You was hating on my Impala, nigga?
No.
What? So, if everybody know I had the trap car, the Impala. Of course, when I bought me the Beamer, Babymomma was driving the trap car, you know what I'm saying? She stayed down, she stayed loyal, and look what he got her. Push start. Y'all come holler at my boy, man. He did his thing, man. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, everybody cranking up their Dodges around here, man. Everybody. I'm coming back. Everybody mark my word. I'm coming back for Scat Pack or Hellcat, nigga. I'm coming back. Just know that. I told y'all, this is what I came for, man. But it's a 2013 with 100,000 some miles. I'm not finna kill myself like that, man. What is that? 2013. And they got over 100,000, over 130,000 some miles, man. I do like it. That's what we wanted. But we, you know what I'm saying? We're not gonna kill ourselves like that, bro. We're gonna go ahead and get the car, then come back, trade it, get her a Durango maybe. 23,000 miles, bro. 23,000 miles, man. That's a blessing. God is good. I never knew I would be in a position to do anything like this for somebody, let alone my daughter's mother. Feels good. If this is what it feel like, keep it coming. Yes, sir. Welcome back to the vlog, mama. It's another day. She's about to take her car for a ride. It's definitely daytime. What it do, guys? What it do, gang? It's another day, same vlog. We back again. And yes, your boy got a new dirt bike. Yes, sir. It is up, man. Going crazy this summer already. Got a new dirt bike. Babymomma's got a new car. It's lit. Alright, babe, go ahead, pull out so I can pull out, man. We're about to go ahead and, man, do some updates on the car already. Throw some tint on the windows, and after that, I think I'm gonna go to work. I need to go make some of my bread back. And yeah, another day, another grind. We're about to get right back into it. Y'all know what time it is. I need everybody to go ahead and hit that like, that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, man. Continue to watching and keep watching. I'll be back. You dig?